Turning long text into presentation slides can take hours of manual work, especially when you need to summarize information and organize everything clearly. But with Gamma AI, you can quickly convert long documents, articles, notes, or reports into professional slides automatically. So in this guide, I'll show you how to convert long text into slides with Gamma AI step by step. First, open the Gamma AI website in your browser and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account to get started. Once you enter the dashboard, click the Create button and choose the Presentation option. Now copy and paste the long text, article, report, notes, or document that you want Gamma AI to convert into slides. After everything is ready, click Generate and let Gamma AI automatically turn the long text into organized presentation slides. And that's your full guide on how to convert long text into slides with Gamma AI. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to transform documents and reports into professional presentations much faster using AI.